Hello folks, how are you? Today we are going to break, or we can say open up an ornithopter. It's a kind of bat, a toy which flaps its wings and flies, right? It comes with this remote or charger, you can say. It has a capacitor, I assume, which you have to plug it in like this and charge it. We'll break it today and see what all things it has. Okay, I assume it has plenty of cog wheels, lever, and those kind of things. So I have already broken these two parts here. It comes like this. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, that's how it is. Now let's see what it has. Okay, I'll try my best not to break the whole structure inside. I'll take this thermocol. That's all I want to take it off from the whole structure. Now, you see, there is a capacitor here. Wait now, this green thing here. Okay. This green thing, that's a capacitor. Alright, so what I have understood out of this so far is it has a capacitor which stores the energy through this small circuit here. It passes the energy into electricity, you can see. It passes the electricity or the charge into this small motor. Can you see this small motor here? Now it, through different cog wheels, from the smallest one to the middle one to the upper one, it passes up to here. Okay, this goes round in rotational motion, and there's a lever here which acts somewhat like this, just like in older times we used to see in steam engine. Okay, it goes like this, down and up and down and up. Okay, so that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try to make something out of it, something different, and I will upload the video then. Okay, till then, bye, see you. So that's my ornithopter. Thank you.